Hi everyone, welcome to today's review of the Daewoo microwave oven. The model that we've got here is the KOR7LBKC. So let's first talk about the look of the microwave. As you can see, it's got some nice curved edges. To me, it's quite a 70s look. It's got a minimalistic display with a minimalistic control to it. Take a look on the inside. This is one of our bigger plates and it fits in very easily. So let's power it on now. In order to power on the microwave, you have to hold down this button. The reason for that is it's an eco-save microwave. So it tries to use as little power as possible when not powered on. So this dial here, this controls the time or the weight if you wanted to defrost something. So if we to set it at that, press start and off it goes. To me, I think this microwave is quite loud. We stop that with this button, and now if we were to leave that for 10 minutes the display would disappear and it'd go back into its power saving mode. For me, I'm not a big fan of this. I'd prefer if it displayed the time all the time, and after reading the manual a few times it seems that you can turn this off. Have a look at the back of it as well. It doesn't fit as flush to the wall as I would have liked it to. It does stand off the wall quite a bit, but it is very nice to look at. Thank you for watching this review of the Daewoo microwave oven.